Let me be honest. Walking sounds boring. No sweat, no pain, no dramatic transformation montage. And yet, walking 10,000 steps a day quietly upgrades your body in ways most workouts never do. Day 1 feels easy. You think, this is it. By day 5, your body starts adapting. Your blood sugar levels begin to stabilize. Your muscles start using insulin more efficiently, which means less energy crashes, less random hunger, and fewer moments where you stare into the fridge like it owes you money. By week 2, fat loss begins to show up. Not because walking burns insane calories, but because it fixes your metabolism. Your body learns to burn fuel instead of storing it. You are not starving yourself. You're training your body to behave. Now here is the underrated part. Your joints. Walking pumps fluid into your knees, hips, and ankles. That fluid acts like oil in an engine. Less stiffness, less random pain. It's less sounding like bubble wrap when you stand up. Your posture improves without you trying. Your lower back relaxes. Your legs feel stronger. Not gym strong, life strong. By week 3, your brain starts changing. Walking lowers stress hormones. It increases blood flow to the brain. Mental fog clears. Focus improves. Problems feel smaller. This is why your best ideas show up during walks. Your brain finally gets oxygen and silence. Anxiety drops. Mood stabilizes. You stop feeling tired for no reason. By day 30, the biggest change is not physical, it is psychological. You trust yourself more because you showed up every day. No excuses, no extremes. Walking becomes your reset button, your therapy session, your thinking space. The best part, your body does not feel attacked, it feels supported. You do not need fancy shoes. You do not need motivation speeches. You just need to move. Sometimes the most powerful habit is the one that looks too simple to matter.